Hey guys, abracadabra. What dab? Welcome to Quantum Quarter, and this is your earnings investigator Tames. Here we look at the important earnings upcoming 1 week before they drop, breaking down the numbers, analyzing the trends, and giving you a close look to help you make informed earnings play. Today let's checking in on Nike. Nike is gearing up for its next earnings report, with several key insights and trends to watch. The company has shown resilience, with recent earnings estimate revisions indicating optimism among analysts. Despite a challenging market, Nike's focus on innovation, digital leadership, and cost-saving measures is expected to drive growth. The company has also been proactive in streamlining operations to enhance efficiency. However, macroeconomic factors like inflation and consumer spending trends will play a crucial role in shaping the upcoming results. Investors are keenly watching for any positive surprises that could boost the stock price. So let's take a step back and look at how the firm's past earnings surprises have impacted its stock price relative to the market. We've got a few key data points here. First, back on June 29, 2023, the firm missed earnings by 1.5%, which led to a 0.4% relative decrease in its stock price compared to the market. Then, on September 28, 2023, it beat earnings by a whopping 25.3%. But surprisingly, its stock price only dropped 0.1% relative to the market. Fast forward to December 21, 2023, and we see another earnings beat, this time by 21.2%, but the stock price still fell 0.5% relative to the market. Finally, on March 21, 2024, the firm beat earnings by 32.4%, but its stock price took a significant hit, dropping 7.6% relative to the market. What's interesting here is that even though the firm has consistently beaten earnings, its stock price hasn't always reacted positively. This suggests that investors might be looking at other factors beyond just earnings surprises when making their investment decisions. The firm's stock movement over the last quarter shows some interesting trends. The lowest price was 88.42, while the highest price was 97.94. The point of control, which is the price at which the stock spent most of its time, was 92. This tells us that the stock was generally stable around this price point. Looking at the data, we can see that the stock price was mostly trading between 92 and 95, with some brief dips and spikes. The volume was relatively consistent, with no significant spikes or drops that would indicate unusual trading activity. One thing that stands out is the recent surge in price, with the stock reaching 96.64 on the last trading day. This could be a sign of increased investor interest or a positive market reaction to recent news or events. However, it's also important to note that the stock has been trading in a relatively narrow range for most of the quarter, so this recent surge might not be sustainable. Overall, the firm's stock movement suggests a stable, if not particularly exciting, performance over the last quarter. Nike's been making some moves since the last earnings call. They're banking on Caitlin Clark, a rising star, to boost their brand. She's signing an 8-year deal worth around $28 million, and they're giving her her own signature shoes. This could be a big win for Nike, especially if Clark's popularity keeps growing. The company also got a break when a greenwashing case against them was dismissed. They've been accused of making false environmental claims, so this is a relief. Additionally, Nike signed a 20-year deal for a huge logistics campus, which should help them streamline operations and save costs. On the flip side, Nike's facing some challenges. They're laying off around 740 workers in the Portland area, which might impact morale and productivity. The company's also dealing with some negative publicity around their U.S. women's Olympic team outfits, which were criticized for not being very stylish. Overall, these developments could have a mixed impact on Nike's stock price. But the Caitlin Clark deal and the logistics campus could be significant positives. The firm's financials are looking pretty stable. Earnings growth is flat, but profit margins are holding strong at 10.1%. The quick ratio is 1.7, which means they've got some liquidity to work with. The trailing PE is 28.4. and the forward PE is 24.7, so investors are expecting some growth. The current price is $95.60, which is close to the 52-week high of $123.40. Trading volume is decent at 8 million over the last 10 days. The float shares are $1 billion, and short sellers are barely present with 0.0% of the float. The top 10 holders have a significant stake at 34.1%, and insiders sold at $93.43. which is pretty close to the current price. Overall, the firm seems to be in a solid position, but growth is stagnant for now. So that's it for today's earnings preview. What do you think about the company's performance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from Quantum Quarter. See you next time.